This is Jesse from Jinan Tongki Vehicle Limited. Glad to have a chance to show the whole NX dump truck. It is 380 HP engine, 30-40 tons load. If you also need whole dump truck from China, please contact us. WhatsApp 00861506913771.